A God Word This. A daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
Howdy, greetings, welcome or welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Please remember, like, share, subscribe and comment. And tell a friend to join us every morning. We're live here at 5 a.m. Jamaica time. Live at 5. No joke nor jive. Today, I'm going to read from the Good News about Jesus according to John chapter 4, verse 43 to 54. After the 2 days them come and gone, Jesus left God Galilee. Now a Jesus him one did say that no prophet no get respect in him own country. So now when he reached Galilee, the people them where they live in there take him in. Cause them to go to Jerusalem for the Passover holiday and them they see all where him did do there. In Galilee, him did go to the place where them call Cana. The set place brought him to take water and turn in a wine. Now he did have one man from Capernaum where the big work for the king. He did have one little boy picnic where they did sick bad. When he hear said Jesus come back from Judea and at him there Galilee, him go look for him and beg him to come with him to Capernaum. He make the boy picnic but they both for dead better. But Jesus said to him, say, if one of people not see some sign and start a powerful miracle, you would never believe in me. But the man said to him, say, sir, beg you come with me, go down to Capernaum before the boy dead. Then Jesus said to him, you can't go on. The boy picnic go live. Then the man believed what Jesus did say, and him said, thought to go back to him yard. On the way back, him servant them come meet him and tell him that the boy picnic did I go live. He asks them what time the boy did start get better. Them say the fever broke yesterday, but in the 1 o'clock bells. When them see that and the man check it out, he come in to him say, at the same time, Jesus said to him, say, the boy picnic go live. So the man and all of the people them were living in house start to believe in Jesus. The miracle there. And the second one, Jesus walk after him left Judea and go back to Galilee. And that was this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.